Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Today's lesson is connecting two or more activities or events using the te form. Now in English, when we want to connect two sentences, we just add and. I got up and cooked food. So here, we use the conjunction and to connect nouns or activities. Or we can also say, I got up, went to the kitchen, and cooked food. Three activities connected by a comma and the conjunction and. Now, in Japanese, we use the te form of the verb as an equivalent of the conjunction and. So here, for example, we have two sentences. Okimashita, I got up. Ryori shimashita, I cooked food. Now, to combine these sentences using the conjunction in English, we use the te form of the verb. So here, okimashita becomes okite. Okite. Ryori shimashita. Okite, ryori shimashita. I got up and cooked food. Watashi wa okite, ryori shimashita. Here, as you can see, this sentence is in the past tense. Okay? Now, what if I want to use the present tense? What is going to happen? Here again, we will use okite again. Okite. Okite, ryori shimasu. Okite, ryori shimasu. Watashi wa okite, ryori shimasu. I get up and cook food. So, why is it that we use okite again? It is because what is important is the tense of the last verb. If the tense of the last verb is past tense, all other verbs are in past tense. So as you can see, it is the tense of the last verb that is going to identify what tense is the preceding verb. So here, as you can see, we used ryori shimasu. It follows that okite is also in the present tense. Watashi wa okite ryori shimasu. Another example. I eat, drink beer, and watch TV. So, watashi wa tabete, biru o nonde, terebi o mimasu. As you can see, mimasu, the last verb of the sentence, is in the present tense. Therefore, the verb eat, the verb drink, must also be in the present tense. Now, if we change it to past tense, I ate, drank beer, watched TV, it's the same thing. Tabete, biru o nonde, terebi o mimashita. So here, mimashita is the past tense. It means that the verb tabete, nonde, in the past tense also. Another example, I will go to the library and borrow some books. Toshokan ni itte hon no karimasu. Now, because karimasu, borrow, karimasu is in the present tense, it follows that the verb itte is also in the present tense. Now, if we change it to past tense, we also use the same. Toshokan ni itte. Toshokan ni itte hon no karimashita. Here, because karimashita is in the past tense, it follows that itte is in the past tense also. Okay. Kyou wa 6時に起きて。今日は6時に起きて勉強しました。Today I got up at 6 and studied. 6時に起きて勉強しました。Now, this is the volitional form. Again, we're going to use て。食堂に行って昼ご飯を食べましょう。So here, because it is 食べましょう、ましょう, it's volitional, it means let's. So we're going to just say, let's go to cafeteria and eat lunch. Again, because it is in the present tense, volitional, go to cafeteria also means volitional. 食堂に行って昼ご飯を食べましょう。Here is another peculiar example. I go to work by bus. So I ride the bus and go to work. Now in this case, there are two verbs here. But in English, it is just translated as I go to work by bus. In this case, the verb in the te form describes the manner in which the action described by the second verb is performed. Okay, it means I go to work. How? I ride the bus. In Japanese, basu ni notte. I ride the bus. Basu ni notte. Kaisha ni ikimasu. So I go to work by riding a bus. But in English, we just say, I go to work by bus. It's the same here. I'm sorry for not bringing in the textbook. So here, there are two phrases. I forgot the textbook. I forgot the textbook. And I'm sorry. Okay? But in English, it is translated as, I am sorry for not bringing in the textbook. Now, to translate it in Japanese, kyokasho wasurete. Kyokasho wasurete. I forgot the textbook. Sumimasen. I forgot the textbook and I am sorry. Kyokasho wasurete sumimasen. I'm sorry for not bringing in the textbook, but literally it means, I forgot the textbook, I'm sorry. Alright, exercise. We're going to connect these two actions using the te form. Two actions you see here in the pictures. Okay, so you may pause the video and try and answer, or just continue watching. Okay, the answers are: first, turn off the TV and go out. Terebi o keshite dekakemasu. Terebi o keshite dekakemasu. Second picture, she does homework and sleeps. Shukudai o shite nemasu. Shukudai o shite nemasu. I do my homework and sleep, or I will do my homework and sleep. And last picture, he goes to the library and borrow books. Toshoka ni itte hon no karimasu. Toshoka ni itte hon no karimasu. I will go to library and borrow a book. Okay, I wanna thank you all for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my videos and my channel useful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar and the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. Mite korete, arigato. Mata aimashou.